All right, let's have a quick look at the Limo Studio Umbrella Light. It comes in this carrying case, and let's open it up. And there's actually 3 stands in here. I have my own light. I actually have this one right here. Let's open it up. Let's take a look. Here are all the parts that come with it. So we have a very small stand, and then we have 2 taller stands right here. These are the sockets. So you're getting 1, 2, and then 3 right there. And then we have the actual umbrella. So we're not going to set all 3 of them up. We're just going to set up one of them, and we're going to demonstrate what it looks like with just one. So let's get to it. Do the first part. So here we go. We're going to undo the legs first. You're going to turn this so it's loose, and then we're going to extend it out as much as it goes. So you can even have it this way or just have it out, however you need. I like the part that you can actually like extend it like this, so you can sit. Then we're going to tighten this up so that it stays where it's supposed to, or where you want it to go. So there's that first part. All right, so let's extend this other part. So now that we got the base part down, we can extend this part out. Okay. And you can go even higher and bring this part out, so you can have quite a bit of length on that. As you can see how high that goes up. So that's very high. But let's bring it back down to manageable use here. All right, so let's connect one of the sockets, and the way you're going to do that is you're going to put it in here on the very top, and then you're going to tighten this part. So let's do that right now. Now we have the umbrella part. So the umbrella part is pretty easy. So all we want to do is take it out, and we're just going to open it up like this. We're going to bring it out, and so that part clips. All right. Then we're just going to feed it through. There's a hole back here. That hole right there, we're going to feed it through there. And we're going to use this part just to loosen it up. Now we can bring it further in by pushing in that little clip, so we can get as much as the umbrella as we can in there. So now we're almost ready to go. So now all we need is the bulb. Now for this example, we're going to use the Sansi light bulb, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so all that's left to do is to actually connect it to some power, and we're going to turn it on. Okay, there's a power button on the back, and then we're just going to turn it on. And there it is. There's your bulb. Let's look at some examples with the light on and without the light. So let's do that right now. All right, so we just have the regular light from the studio room, which is not very good. And we're just gonna use the one umbrella light, and let's see what the difference is. Let's go turn it on. Okay. So there it is. So it's casting a shadow this way, but there's another light. There's another stand. We're going to set that up, and we're going to look at it, but this is what it looks like right now with it. And let's turn it around just to see what it will look like if you turn the umbrella the other way. All right, so now we have turned the umbrella the opposite way, so it's facing, so it's pushing the light out this way, so it's not as harsh, and it's using, now you can see that it's a soft light. This is much better. So for my use, I'm more likely to be using it this way.